Well, hello, students. This is Mr. Moyer coming to you with a very special video that is specifically designed to discuss a procedure by which you will be able to attempt assignments again, have assignments unlocked, and also to let me know when you've completed a specific sort of an assignment. So this is basically a video about the reattempting process in this class. We have used different processes in the past, but I'm moving to this process, which this video is designed to give you a tutorial on as a much cleaner and more efficient way. This will help you as a student to have one very easy way to go about asking for an assignment to be unlocked, or asking for me to give you a reattempt at a test or a quiz, or to let me know if you have already reattempted an assignment um, there so I can improve your grade with that. And this is designed to do that. It's also designed to help me keep track of the assignments that I have unlocked and to not miss anybody who has asked. We've done this through the email process in the past, but the problem with that is emails can just get too cluttery and things can get missed. So this is an attempt to ensure that we are able to take care of these issues. So the three things I'm looking to address here is one, to give you reattempts at tests or quizzes. Two, to allow you to have assignments unlocked that have previously been locked. And then, of course, three, those assignments that you reattempt that do not need me to go back and give it back to you, but also don't tell me that you've reattempted it. This is a manner by which you can let me know. So the real deal with that one is there are assignments that I have not unlocked for you that are open for you to complete, that you are able to complete by adding comments in the comments section as we've done in the past. However, these assignments, Canvas does not tell me that they have been updated, that you have left a comment to tell me that you've improved your answers. And so I will never know to grade it unless you give me some indication, which could be through an email, but that can be confusing. But you could also fill out a very specific form, and that'll help me with it. All right. So those are the three kinds of assignments we're trying to deal with here, that I want you to be aware of. So to that end, I'd like to open up this screen for you and give you a look at what this new process involves. This new process is going to involve an opportunity for you to fill out a Google form. The Google form will then, and it's going to look just like this that's up on your screen right here. This Google form is going to give you the opportunity, and I'm going to make this big so you can see the whole thing, is going to give you the opportunity to reattempt an assignment. And again, I have the three right there. Carefully read the form and respond exactly, and I cannot stress that enough, as requested. There are three types of requests that you can make. So again, a test or a quiz. This is only for tests and quizzes, those assignments that specifically say test or quiz or have assessment after the title. You're going to fill out the form asking access to the test or quiz. This happens when you've completed a test or a quiz. You did not like the grade that you received on it, but you cannot get access to it anymore because it's been submitted. You need to ask me to return that test or quiz to you. By filling out this form, you'll be able to do that. The second type of assignment we're talking about is unlocked assignments. These are any kind of assignment, whether they're a test or a quiz or what have you, that have locked. So you can't even have a chance to review the test or quiz or assignment because it is no longer even visible to you. You can click on it, but it's not going to open for you. So you're going to fill out this form to ask for me to unlock this assignment for you. The last one is the reattempt assignment. So these are the assignments that, now please listen carefully to this, do not fill out this form until you have already reattempted the assignment. And these are assignments that you can't resubmit, but you can go into the comments section and you can write comments And usually that is how you are going to change your answer. So if it was a multiple choice and you answered B and the right answer was A, and you want to go back through it and reattempt that, you can go into the comments section of the assignment. And for question number 1, I want to do A instead of B. If it was a small summary answer question that you got wrong that you want to answer differently, you can write your new answer by indicating the question it relates to and then your new answer, and then you're going to submit the comment. The problem is nothing is going to tell me that you have made those comments. So you will then come to this form, fill it out, and submit it. This will tell me to go to that assignment and look at that assignment for your comments and adjust your grade accordingly. So again, just to rehash, the test and quiz, after you've taken a test or quiz, you want to reattempt it. You fill out this form and I will give it back to you to reattempt. You do not need to reach out to me after it's been reattempted. It will automatically tell me, Canvas will, that the test is needing to be graded. Unlocked assignments that have been locked, that you need reopened for you. You fill out this form, I will unlock those assignments. Once they've been submitted, you don't need to tell me. The Canvas will automatically tell me they need to be graded. Now, the last assignment, these assignments you must first go in and do. They're already there for you to complete. Once you've completed these assignments, you will need to fill out this form telling me you've done it, and then I will be able to go back into the assignment and find your comments and make the correction. So make sure you understand that. The first 2, you don't need to do anything. Just fill out the form, complete the assignment, you're done. The last one, be very clear, the last one, you need to do the assignment. It's already accessible to you. Then fill out the form, and then I will go in and grade it. All right? So here's what the form looks like. So you can see is 1, you're going to fill out your name, first name, then last name. Please make sure you do that. Then your email address. You must fill out your email address, your ALA email address. Then the class that you are in for this semester. I have a couple examples: government, economics, history, leadership. Make sure you click one of those. Then the request type. You would like to retake a quiz or test. You would like me to unlock an assignment for you. Or you would like to or you have already redone an assignment, and notice in parentheses, I have commented in Canvas, which means you are coming here and this has already been done. If you haven't done this, close the form, do it, then come back to the form. All right? I've said that 3 times now. It's important. Now, I need you, this last piece is extremely important. You need to list the exact name of the assignment you want me to unlock, return, or take another look at here. You can literally copy and paste it, but make sure it's the exact name. This will help me find it very quickly. And then the last thing is, this just helps me. Please indicate the week that the assignment was assigned in. Okay? The week the assignment was assigned in. So find the week in the modules tab and click on this. And then that'll give you what you need to do. So say, for instance, you put your name down here and then you do your email. I'm not going to type it correctly. It's going to be angry about that. And let's say my class was government and the request type is I'd like to retake a quiz. And then I'm going to call it assignment like that. GNVNT. We'll call it assignment number 1. And then I'm going to say it was assigned in week 3. Once you've done that, you will submit it. And once you've submitted it, there you have it. You're done. Now, here's the deal, students. If you have 5 assignments you would like me to unlock, you can only do 1 at a time. So you would need to go in and then do the next one, and then the next one, and then the next one. If you attempt to type multiple assignments in this spot right here, I will only, pay attention, unlock the first one on your list. I will not unlock any others. If you want me to unlock or return multiple assignments or look at multiple assignments you've already done, you need to fill the form out for each one of them each time. Okay? That's important for me. It helps me to track. It helps me to track your my progress of getting them all done. So I'll stress it again. If you would like me to open up for you multiple assignments, you need to do a form for each one. All right, that is the quick tutorial. You will find this tutorial with a brief little quiz at the end of it that you'll need to complete. Once that's done, then you are good to go. Make sure you use this form for any assignments you would like me to return to you, unlock for you, or regrade for you. If you email me, I am simply going to indicate that you fill out the form. I will not unlock or return or look at assignments that you've emailed me about. I will ask you to fill out the form. The form will help me know that I am getting everything done and keeping track of things. And it just helps to make sure that nothing is missed. The email has been too messy. This is a much better path. So please make sure that you understand this. Rewatch the video if you don't. Fill out the quiz to indicate that you have comprehension, and then this should be a much quicker and much more meaningful way of getting this particular part of our online class achieved. All right. Hope you're having a great year, and I look forward to seeing you all in the class.